Where's Mike?
Don't know. It takes him the longest to flap about as well.
I know.
He'll be flapping so long he'll end up on the ferry back and all.
Yeah, be going back. We'll see you in 2 hours.
Where are we going? Straight to the Needles?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Head towards freshwater, Ash.
To the right. Oh, not just give way to the right thing again. Right. What's going on there, my friend?
He saw you, John. He thought, well, I'm stopping.
Let the fucker go.
It will be signposted, Needles.
Yeah.
Nice.
A curvature.
Smooth tarmac, Jesus.
Tell you what, ain't everything bloody clean?
Yeah. It's tidy, isn't it?
Got any room?
Yeah.
My first pothole.
Plenty of space up the front there.
Beauty. Oh, another motorcycle.
John's bike ground. Is that still the original can on that?
Yeah.
Sounds nice, doesn't it?
Yeah, yeah. I've not wanted to get rid of it, really. Quite happy with it. I mean, it's nothing like my old Zed.
No. That was a good Asbo, wasn't it?
How heavy is that bike?
Oh, I don't know the numbers. Yeah, I'd have to look it up.
Because that's got the anti-dive on it, isn't it, on the front?
Yeah, semi-active, yeah. It's not as... The newer one's got a better version, but yeah, it does take some of the dive out.
God, look at that. Been building a few here, look, haven't they?
Yeah. They're not cheap gaps either. Nice.
So I'm going around the corner now. Oh, through. Cool. Car turning across us.
Oh, yeah. There's a car turning right there, Mike. Oh, nice bends.
Yeah. Tuned up the hazards, but oh well.
Yes, clear. Clear, clear.
We have arrived.
Can pay for it.
Holy. There's a big old queue.
I think it's just where the bus is going.
You reckon? Ash has arrived, in case anyone noticed.
You're not right up my ass, Mike, are you?
Well, I'm about 2 foot behind you. If you have to ask, he's not in deep enough.
Oh, there is a bloody great queue, look.
Yeah. Thanks
Dave.
before, isn't it? Hey!
You're going to get a bollock in there.
No, they're moving.
If you get sent to the back by teacher.
Oh. What's all the bollocks about then, Ash? They're just being a pain in the ass.
It's just me directing them where to go. If I come up, because there's a big space here where I am. Right then.
Can't see where you are.
Just come up, there's a big gap. You have to go to the booth.
The booth?
There's a little booth.
We got to pay for this car park.
Yeah. £6 all day it said, I think that's cars.
I hope they take card.
Yeah, they take card.
Ask him if bikes are free, Ash.
Oh well. The bloke told me not to be a
You had any trouble with that yet, John?
No. Well, the camera's trying to update, so I've got to sync my phone to it. I ran out of time on the ferry. Yeah, I updated it last night, so I don't know why it's trying to update again. Stupid thing.
Cool, I do like a handbrake.
Good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ash is going to get his bollock in now.
No way.
Cue jumping prick.
Anti-social biker.
You got to pay on entry then?
Yeah.
Fuckers.
Right, mate. Oh, lovely. Thank you, mate.
Hey!
Free boys.
Sweet.
Pay for us. Did he say free?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Is there any specific set you want us to go in? Is there any specific part you want us to park in? Yeah.
Yeah, over the edge.
Yeah, there's spaces down there.
Yeah, you see that side of the cliff?
He can hear us ripping the fish. I didn't hear where they sit up and upset because I had 3 on the fucking... Go down there.
Those people behind are going, what's these three all juggling their shoulders up and down?
Is it playing? Does it work?
Yeah.
Oh.
Whee!
I used to get a better system than this, didn't I?
Yeah.
Yeah. Could have just parked them here, look.
Yeah.
I can't even see Ash.
Right down the end. One visitor centre. Yeah.
Thanks, bud.
Thank you. Right down the front, isn't it? Keep going.
Telling us to go down.
Right. Where be he? I can't see he. Oh, there he is.
You're parking in front of us.
It's a bit muddy. It is alright. It's dry.
Chuck it over here. Yeah, down here looks a bit better.
Cool, look how fucking be. Can size that be? Right. Right, this could be fun.
Do you want a hand?
Which side of me are you going?
To your right. Hey! Sprinting the back up! How am I doing?
See, if you had tread on that.
How am I doing? Right, that shows how much
Go on, keep going.
You're tired, John. How am I doing?
Go on, keep going as you were. Left hand down a tad.
You need to try second, John.
Right, as you are.
I'm out.
Right.
That ceramic coat better work well.
I'll go the outside. Should we, weight-wise, should we mix? Well, me and John might be a bit. Besides, that's 2 different cameras.
What, shall I go with you then?
Yeah, balance out the weight, look. Ooh.
It's like keep your hands into the same bar down. Like, I'll keep your hands up a minute.
Right.
Lovely. Oh, fucking hell. There you go.
Struggle.
Getting slowed down, my God.
Take it off.
Look at him with his fucking 360.
Just try not to drop my helmet.
Yeah, don't drop that. God, it's when you go down over this bit. Hey? His feet are in the trees.
Yeah.
Mum, you're making me get scared. Yeah, let's get it rocking. The carriage be rocking, but
Can't get it to go. Need a bigger pendulum.
that's running now.
Yeah. Trouble is, it's all in line with that, isn't it? I reckon I should take it back and higher.
Yeah. Oh, I'll just fucking close it and be done with it. Thank you.
We can just put a hook through that collar, stick them on the wire. Hang them up on the wire.
Oh, it's lovely.
Oh, Nige.
Oh, this is the perfect place for us.
It's overloaded. Oh, you broke it, John. It's size 18 feet. Mike said, have you got your air caught in the cable up there? That woman looks shit scared. She won't look down or nothing. Yeah.
We did one of these. It was a 2-man.
So yeah, I've got to live here, mate. I can't move.
Coming off, gents.
Yes, yeah, please.
What's scarier, your motorbike or this?
This one.
Time to end, gents. Feet behind the bar, please, bud. Off to right and down the stairs, mind your lid. And go for it.
Thank you.
Coming off.
Oh shit, yeah. Because it's all it's all falling away, doesn't it?
Reckon that's a murder scene.
Yeah.
White tape on the
Yeah, it's around there.
I've got a good idea. It's been under the mud, look. We're not cold, you never see them again. Ah, probably because of that bit, isn't it? Because of that bit there, isn't it?
It's like a line of sandstone. I think that was horizontal once.
Yeah.
Someone built it.
They probably wouldn't get it that straight. Oh yeah, look. God, you see the crack?
Oh yeah. That's going to come down, isn't it? I reckon a bloody good wind will have that down.
Yeah.
Going for a paddle? That looks very steep. That's a bit like Kevlar, isn't it?
Yeah, quick. Should have bought the drone that could have took off from here.
Yeah.
I think from up there though, it'd probably take off as long as I don't go above that hill.
Yeah.
I'll try it, see what it's like. If it starts struggling, I'll just bring it back.
That's pretty gentle, isn't it, though? Is that too far to go?
No, it'll do a couple of miles each way on a full battery.
It's a helicopter pad, isn't it?
Yeah.
Going on the boat?
Be a ticket ash.
Right, you won't need to get to the exit at the top. Right, if you're ready, straight into the box with me. Mind your arms.
Yeah.
Enjoy the ride.
Cheers.
Coming off, baby.
Yeah.
I bet people have.
Oh yeah.
Guarantee it. Right, chaps. It's there.
There'll be another one there.
Summer, Rafa, don't forget to tell them you're getting off.
Yeah, you can just stay on.
Go round.
Straight up. I wonder how many but they only let you go down and up.
Yeah. Oh, it takes a picture.
Yeah, well that's where it takes your photo and then at the end if you want to. Then how long till that's right on the edge? How can that be so fucking safety?